Alright. Second frequency. Ayun na, oh. Ayun na, may tulong na. Third frequency. Yan, kaya. Palapakan, round 3. Busi tayo sa round 4. Next, prepare UIC. Prepare po UIC. Tayo po ang susunod. Frequency. Ayan! Next, frequency. High frequency. Alright, round 4, clear. Let us proceed. Second, frequency. Third, frequency. Yan. Kaya round 5. Pero may nabenta na tulong sa second. 6. Start. Oh, ayun na talaga. Second, frequency. Kaya pa yan, kuya. Kaya pa yan. Third, frequency. Mahirapan tayo frequency na tayo para namin nag-survive. Loma Prieta earthquake, one-dimensional. Start! Second level talaga. Palapakan naman, Dorisu!